Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 15th of April. And first of all, national news. UGC announced new regulations for grievance redressal of students. Delhi Lieutenant Governor cleared power subsidy file amid showdown with AAP. Seizures worth rupees 150 crore made in poll-bound Karnataka since March 29. Assam's traditional Bihu dance entered Guinness Book of World Records. Kerala Milk Cooperative launch insurance scheme for dairy farmers. And now some international news. United Arab Emirates, China promised $1.3 billion to get IMF deal on track, Pak Minister. Europe's Jupiter Moon's mission launch on second attempt. Magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck Indonesia. 18,000 cattle killed in horrific explosion. Fire in Texas. China denied imposing no-fly zone in seas north of Taiwan. Now some sports news. Saudi Arabia wants IPL owners to set up world's richest T20 league in country, a report said. Rafael Nadal announced Friday his withdrawal from the ATP Barcelona tournament. WPL to be held in February with bigger window, home and away format, a report said. Rishabh Pant is back. Delhi Capital star attended practice ahead of IPL 2023 clash versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. Now, news related to business. Foreign exchange reserve grew $6.3 billion to $584.75 billion. Dollar headed for longest stretch of weekly losses since 2020. Cryptocurrency Ether leaps to 11-month high in wake of software upgrade. Future Retail granted 90 days extension for concluding insolvency. Indian financial system completely insulated from developments in US, Switzerland, RBI governor. G20 consensus that coordinated approach needed on crypto assets. Minister. Japan, India and France announced launch of common platform for talks among Sri Lanka creditors. Now news from science and technology. NASA unveiled Mars habitat on Earth for year-long experiments. European Space Agency mission to Jupiter's icy moons postponed due to fear of lightning strikes. And that's all in news. Thank you.